Hi guys, and thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to give you a little heads up of my upcoming trip that I'm planning to do. I'm planning to ride more than 2,000 kilometers on the western coast of Ireland, from far north to far south. That route is famous and well known, Irish coastal route. Some even go that far away to say it's one of the best routes in Europe. For now I wouldn't agree, but it should be pretty scenic. It's called Wide Atlantic Way, and it's probably the best, as far as I know. It's the best where Ireland has to offer in terms of motorcycling around that country. At the moment I'm riding on the streets around the Irish capital, Dublin, just exploring a little bit the countryside, and just wanted to jump on bike, do a short video about upcoming trip that I'm planning to do here in Ireland. It's gonna be a tough one, at least I think it's gonna be a tough one. The weather here in Ireland is heavily unpredictable. You don't know what to expect, and especially western side of the island can be pretty rough. So far I've seen all 4 seasons changing in one day, and based on some comments that I read online on different forums and on different places online, actually the weather on the western side can be even worse. So we'll see. I think I choose probably one of the best months to do this tour. The better one would be probably during summer, but since I was touring around Balkan in summer, this is a perfect timing for me to do that trip around Ireland. I'll try to keep you guys updated about that, how that goes, and I'll try to visit local places. I'll try to visit some historical spots. As you all know, Ireland has a lot of problems during history, and during 90s with IRA and all those things that were happening here in the island. So I'll try to cover some of the kind of most interesting spots in that regard. Besides history, I'll try to see some beautiful castles. There's a lot of castles here, and I'm personally a fan of good castles, so I'm gonna try to visit some of the best castles around, and I'll try some local food as well. At the moment I'm going towards one scenic town around Dublin, maybe 40-50 kilometers north from Dublin. It's actually a coastal road, and the town is called Skerries. It's actually a kind of, we could say, a suburb of a main capital, Dublin. But it's interesting. It's a old fisherman's village, and it's very, very nice village to have a coffee and have a little break. I've been here previously on a couple of occasions, and I enjoyed it very much. Can be windy, but weather here is, as I said, unpredictable. I'm almost there at my today's destination, and here we are at the coast in a city, small city called Skerries. Very nice place here in Ireland. And guys, this is Scaries. If you ever find yourself in Dublin area, Scaries is one of not too far away places you can visit. As I previously said, only 50 kilometers away from Dublin. Well, all in all, very nice place.